Hi folks, how's it going? Now tell me, what did you see? A butterfly, a piece of jewelry, both? This butterfly consists of 32 imperial green jadeite pieces, 55 pearls, and has been awarded the Shenzhen Design Award. It is a masterpiece that was designed and manufactured in Shenzhen by a local jewelry maker called TTF. I accidentally found it in the Shenzhen Jewellery Museum. Where is the museum? Why jewelry? And how is this museum linked with Shenzhen? If the butterfly represents the highest level of contemporary techniques of jewelry making, how about the old Chinese jewelry processing style? Look at these. This piece of art was crafted from a single piece of silver plate through tens of millions of hand chiseling processes. This piece embodies a technique with a history of nearly 3,000 years. The chiseling craft is one of the exclusive secret techniques of the royal workshops. The concept of harmony as beauty originates from the ancient Chinese philosophy and symbolizes the shared aspiration of economies to weave a global economic network together, like this handmade jewelry. What tools do we need to make a good jewelry? Let's assume you are going to build a jewelry brand. You might need to outline the shape of the jewelry with your pencil or draw it on a laptop or a pad. Then you will hand it over to a master who can make a prototype based on your draft. Fortunately, your potential customer is very satisfied and proposes an order to have 2,000 pieces. You will then have to identify a good factory, press rubber molds, open rubber molds, wax injection, welding, and mold repair. If everything goes well, you will need 15 days to make a perfect ring and at least 2 months to prepare a mold ready for the factory. Here is how much these machines can make things easier. The 3D printing technology has greatly simplified the manual mold making process, thereby reducing the waste of resources that often occurs when beginners attempt to create molds. The CNC precision carving machine achieves full process automation, reducing manual operations and enhancing production speed and stability. In total, you will need an hour to make a ring and make the mold ready in 2 working days. This is how significantly machines can help you do jewelry business. The last machine transforms old or used gold into cash and transfers cash into a digital wallet instantly. This is a new trend in the sector called sustainable jewelry. Most proudly, all these machines were either invented or assembled by local companies in Shenzhen. What else is in the museum except jewelry? AI. Companies from the West, such as Arcade, Bling, Rhino Jewel Gem Art, were dominating the market of the vertical AI large models. In March 2025, the Shenzhen Jewellery Museum worked with TTF to showcase their AI platform for independent jewelry designers. The Shenzhen Jewellery Museum stands out and presents not only the past, but also the future of jewelry design, with the embeddedness of local jewelry makers and challengers from other sectors. What is my favorite part in the museum? The history and evolution of jewelry making in Shenzhen amazed me most. The modern advancement of this industry took shape in 1981, when a local factory partnered with a Hong Kong investor to create the first jewelry processing venture, leveraging Shenzhen's proximity to Hong Kong for technology and design. This is the beginning of the Great Shift, combined with Shenzhen's status as a special economic zone, attracted foreign investment and skilled artisans. More than 30 jewelry startups emerged in Shenzhen at that time. Since the massive scale-up of local jewelry making and exponential growth in the global market, the consumption of gold and silver for jewelry making in Shenzhen was more than 30 times that of the rest of China. As of 2021, after 40 years, Shenzhen had over 15,000 companies in the gold, jewelry and gemstone industry, employing 250,000 people. The annual processing value reached 150 billion yuan, with 27 specialized markets, housing 29 nationally renowned brands. To champion the history and competitiveness of the jewelry making industry, local businesses convinced the local authorities to initiate the Jewelry Museum in 2021. They chose one of the birthplaces of jewelry making in Shenzhen, called Shuibei, and renovated a high-class office building into a museum. The renovation took 7 months to complete, with top-tier designers and an engineering team. In 2024, there are more than 1,000 items in the museum. They are either donated by private owners or lent by local jewelry organizations. Please drop here on the 4th floor of Shenzhen Plaza in the heart of Luohu district to explore this jewelry world.